Today I'm going to show you how to disassemble and reassemble the long reverse servo for a Ford 5R55 and 5R55W and 5R55S automatic transmission. Now, so you know, this is the reverse port, this one right here, and this is the low port. Now the first thing we're going to remove is the reverse valve. There's going to be a spring and a valve and the reverse valve. Now the next thing we're going to do is you can remove it where the arrow is and it says open. You can align the arrow to any other notches, but usually it's going to be on here, like in between the two notches. So you want to, now here you want to press in and you want to hold it. You want to keep pressing because there's spring tension. Once you align it, slowly bring it out and then remove the spring. Set it aside, and then here's the inner piston. And there's an O-ring in here. And this seal is part of the valve. Now to reinstall it, make sure you lubricate the seal, lubricate the wall, lubricate this seal right here, and lubricate in here with either transmission fluid for the vehicle or transmission assembly lube. Once you get it on there, just make sure it's straight, and then slowly push it all the way down. Then take the spring and then when you get the cap, you can put it in and line this notches and the arrow with any of the three notches. But to make it easy, just look at the open side right here, and also before I install this, right in between, but there's little upper notches. That's where this locks in place, each of the notches. But you want to take the arrow, and you want to push it straight down to line it up. And line up the notch, bring it in, and then slowly turn it. And you're going to feel it click right around here. And each of the spots is going to be like right around here, where you feel it lock in. Take the reverse valve, lubricate it, and then install it. Take the spring and take the cap. And then torque it to the factory torque specification. And that's how you disassemble and reassemble the long reverse servo. Share if you think someone will benefit from this video. To be notified when we upload new videos, make sure to subscribe and click the bell. Also like and comment if you want to share with our community.